So, friends, you've searched all over the internet for the best jollof rice recipe and you found one. My mother's, of course. And now you're looking to make it look extra special for your friend or your family. And so I created three solutions for you. First is a waffle. So you need 2 tablespoons of butter, about 1/4 cup of egg white. Some jollof rice can be about a cup. And then I'm using brown rice flour, 2/3 cup of that. I'm not using white because I don't want it to be sweet. And so we can start by measuring our flour. Nope. Dots of the 1/3 cup. So 2/3 in all. And then put that away. We can add our butter now, our 2 tablespoons of butter, and then our 1/4 cup of egg white, and then our jollof. Now we can blend. Now, if you look critically, you can see we don't have enough liquid. So I had to adjust. I had to add 2 more tablespoons of butter and another 1/4 cup of egg white, hoping that would solve the problem. Again, this is something we're creating, so you can just watch and adjust as necessary. Now it looks superb, ready for the waffle maker. And so we're just gonna add a bit more salt and some paprika because I'd done the first batch and I wanted a bit more color and a bit more taste. And I knew salt would solve that problem. And so scoop your first, actually, that was my second, but yeah, scoop in and then drum while you wait, of course. Why not? Drum, drum, drum. Yeah, now we're ready. It is ready. Okay, so the second option is making kanzo. Now, kanzo tends to be the bottom of jollof rice when you cook it, and it is lovely. It's just slightly burnt rice and it's crispy. And so basically all you need is 3 egg yolks, some jollof. Again, you can use about 1 cup of jollof. Again, you can adjust as necessary, and then goes onto a hot pan. You can shape it. I decided to shape it because I thought it was cute. So you have these heart-shaped kanzos, I call it. So yeah, just shape it and then let it cook. And once one side is cooked well enough, and you can turn it over, turn the other over, and then you have your kanzo. Your lab kanzo. So this is a presentation. You have your kanzo, you have the soft waffle, and the harder one. Now this stayed in the waffle maker a bit longer, so it turns into crispy waffle. So the first presentation is kanzo with rice, jollof rice. Second is the soft waffle with some avocado. And the third is a crispy waffle. Enjoy, friends.